What if I told you that within the next 14 days, you could experience a completely different relationship with your partner? One where they actually open up about what they're really feeling instead of the automatic fine when you ask about their day. Those walls that have been building between you for months or even years begin to come down naturally and without force. The tense, walking on eggshells atmosphere transforms into one of genuine emotional safety, and you finally feel seen, heard, and valued without fighting for it constantly. Sound impossible? That's exactly what the women I'm about to introduce you to thought too. These women aren't relationship gurus. They're not therapists or communication experts. They're regular women who were exactly where you might be right now, feeling disconnected, frustrated, and wondering if this relationship can be saved. But they discovered something that changed everything. A scientifically backed approach that doesn't rely on awkward ultimatums, expensive therapy sessions, complicated communication techniques that only you end up using, or even your partner's active participation. In fact, many of them saw dramatic changes in their relationships, even though their partners had no idea they were applying this method. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what they discovered and how you can use the same approach to start to create the deep, secure connection you've always wanted in your relationship, starting in as little as 3 days. This isn't about manipulating your partner or playing mind games. It's about understanding the hidden forces that have been invisibly controlling your relationship dynamics and finally having the tools to change them. Are you ready to discover what's really been happening in your relationship and how to fix it? Hey there, I need you to do something for me real quick. Think about the last time your partner actually opened up to you. I mean, really opened up. Not the surface level fine when you ask about their day, but that deep, meaningful connection where you actually felt seen. Can't remember? Don't worry, you're not alone. My name is Adam Lane Smith, and what I'm about to share with you isn't another communication trick or relationship hack that leaves you doing all the emotional work. This is completely different. In fact, it's why over 1,600 women have transformed their relationships from emotional deserts into thriving connections, often within just days of applying this simple system. And the craziest part? Many did it without their partners, even knowing they were using it. Let me ask you something. Do any of these sound familiar to you? You ask, "How was your day?" and get that automatic, "Fine" response that makes you think, seriously? That's it? That's all I get? You find yourself rehearsing conversations before having them, like you're prepping for a job interview with your own partner. You've read all those communication books, but somehow you're still the one doing the emotional work. You start a conversation with, "I feel," only to hear, "So it's my fault?" for the 100th time. You watch them laugh and connect with strangers while wondering where that person is in your relationship. You're exhausted from tiptoeing around their moods like navigating a minefield. And intimacy? Let's be honest, you're counting days between connections and wondering if it's even worth initiating after the last rejection. If any of these hit home, I need you to know something important. This isn't about bad communication, not about them not caring, and definitely not about you being too much or not enough. What's really happening is much deeper, and it has a name. Scientists call it your attachment style, and it's literally how your brain was wired for relationships in childhood. This isn't pop psychology. This is neuroscience. Think of it like this. Your brain created neural pathways for how relationships should work based on your earliest experiences. These invisible behavior programs run in the background, causing the same fights, the same disconnection, and the same frustration over and over again. For example, if you grew up with inconsistent love, your brain's now programmed to constantly check if it's still there, showing up as anxiety. If depending on others led to disappointment, your brain pushes people away before they can hurt you, creating emotional walls. And here's what most relationship advice completely misses. Your partner is running their own attachment pattern too. When these patterns clash, it's like you speak different languages while living in the same house. Their "I need space" feels like rejection to you. Your "let's talk" feels like pressure to them. The latest research shows that less than 1/3 of adults have a secure attachment style. That means most of us are operating from patterns that sabotage our deepest connections. without even realizing it. But here's the breakthrough discovery that changes everything. These patterns can be rewired at any age. That's why I created the Relationship Rescue Roadmap. This is the first comprehensive system that uses attachment neuroscience to create deeper emotional connection in your relationship, even if your partner has no idea you're using it. No ultimatums required. No expensive therapy. No complicated psychology jargon. No sacrificing your own emotional needs. Just real results starting in days, even if you've tried everything else. The Relationship Rescue Roadmap gives you a complete attachment assessment that reveals exactly which patterns are creating distance in your relationship. Comprehensive guides for all 4 attachment styles so you can understand both yourself and your partner. Practical communication techniques specifically designed to bypass emotional walls without triggering defensive responses. A step-by-step process to develop secure attachment in yourself first, the key most women miss. Here's what makes this approach completely different from anything you've tried before. Traditional approaches try to force connection through scripted communication techniques. Our approach builds an emotional bridge that both anxious and avoidant partners can comfortably cross. Traditional approaches analyze conflicts after they happen. Our approach prevents triggers with attachment insights before conflicts even start. Traditional approaches use general communication methods. Our approach applies attachment-specific conversation tools tailored to work with your exact relationship dynamic. The results speak for themselves. After 7 years of my husband shutting down during every important conversation, I finally have the tools that actually work. Last night, he told me things he's never shared with anyone, even his therapist. I was ready to leave after years of emotional isolation. The emergency response technique in the Lifetime program stopped our divorce proceedings. Now, he actually asks how I'm feeling. Jennifer. My partner used to disappear emotionally for days after any disagreement. The scripts from the boot camp have completely changed our pattern. I'm no longer afraid to bring up difficult topics. Sarah. After 12 years of marriage, I'd given up on ever feeling truly connected. The Lifetime Access has been my relationship Bible. I refer back to it whenever he starts to withdraw. And now I can bring him back every time. Rebecca. In fact, when we looked at the data from the 1,600 women who've used this approach, 87% reported meaningful conversations within the first week. 92% felt a reduction in relationship anxiety. 76% saw their partners initiate emotional conversations within 30 days. 94% experienced less conflict and more understanding. The Relationship Rescue Roadmap works through a simple 3-step process. Step 1, understand your attachment patterns. You'll take our comprehensive 20-minute assessment to discover your attachment style and how it interacts with your partners. This isn't just putting you in a box. It's revealing the specific patterns that invisibly control your relationship dynamics. Step 2, learn the language of secure connection. Our guides show you how to create an environment that feels emotionally safe. Express your needs without triggering defensive responses, and recognize when someone's attachment system is going into protection mode. And step 3, practice the secure attachment communication cycle. This breakthrough process transforms your relationship through safety first, techniques that signal emotional safety to your partner's nervous system, access without threat, conversation starters that don't trigger defensive patterns, reflect and validate, the mirroring technique that helps your partner feel truly understood. Needs expression, a non-threatening format for expressing your needs. Boundary setting, maintaining healthy limits while creating connection. We've broken this down into practical, simple conversation starters you can use immediately, even if you've never been able to have these conversations before. Here's everything you'll get with the Relationship Rescue Roadmap. Complete attachment assessment, $99 value. Discover your exact attachment style and understand how it interacts with your partner's pattern. Comprehensive attachment style guides. All 4 styles, $196 value. Anxious attachment guide. Stop fear of abandonment and neediness. Avoidant attachment guide. Break down emotional walls safely. Disorganized attachment guide. End the push-pull cycle. Secure attachment guide. Build the foundation for healthy connection. 25 conversation starter cards, $49 value, carefully crafted to bypass emotional walls and create connection without triggering shutdown. That's a total value of $397. But I want to make this accessible to as many women as possible. Traditional options would cost you $800 to $1,000 per hour for a relationship coach, or $1,500 to $3,000 for a weekend couples retreat. That's $1,200 to $3,000 minimum for approaches that often don't address the root cause, your attachment patterns. And if relationship problems continue unresolved, the average cost of divorce starts at $25,000 and can easily reach $100,000, not to mention the emotional toll and potential costs of starting over, finding new housing, dividing assets, or rebuilding your life. And today, as part of your current promotion, you won't pay anywhere near that. You won't even pay our regular price of $397. You can join the Relationship Rescue Roadmap today for just $97. That's 75% off, but only until the deadline date you will see at the top of this page. And you're fully protected for our 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If you don't experience positive shifts in your understanding and relationship approach within 30 days, simply email support@adamlanesmith.com for a complete refund. No questions asked. Let me ask you something important. What is another day of emotional disconnection really costing you? Another night lying next to somebody who feels miles away. Another week of walking on eggshells. Another month without the deep connection that you crave. You have two options. Option one, continue with approaches that haven't worked, watching these patterns become more ingrained and harder to change over time. Option two, try something fundamentally different with the Relationship Rescue Roadmap. Understand your attachment style, learn practical tools, and take the first steps toward the relationship you've always wanted. The women who've used this system report one regret more than any other: that they didn't discover it sooner. Don't wait for your relationship to deteriorate further. Click the button below now for immediate access to the Relationship Rescue Roadmap for just $97. Your future self will thank you.